Hi, I'm Gretchen Soares and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to be making soy candles. Okay, in this clip we're going to talk about the proper temperature for the soy and what it looks like consistency-wise when you're ready to add color to it. When the soy is reached a well-blended, there's no large chunks left, and liquid state, it's a good time to put the color in. We use all natural color chips. They're made from natural dyes, and they are combined at the manufacturer with soy, so they have a hard consistency to them. And so you can choose any sort of color. Today, we're going to use some of these pink ones. And what you do is you simply break it up and stir it in. Then you're going to have to put this back on the heat a little bit to melt those chips to give it a well-blended consistency. So we're going to go ahead and trade this out, and you're going to stir as it melts.